Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from 360 Life Safety, here to talk to you about our mini TAC C-Kit. Our C-Kit is one of our most popular mini trauma aid kits, but before we start talking about the product that makes the C-Kit special, let's first go over the foundational products that are included in our mini A and B kits. From our A kit, we have 2 pairs of gloves, our Mylar blanket or our space blanket, sterile Z-folded gauze, a SWAT tourniquet or a stretch, wrap, and tuck tourniquet, and in the B kit, we saw the addition of our pressure bandage. The one we use is called the Israeli bandage, also known as an Izzy. The C kit is going to give us an addition of an occlusive seal. There's actually a pair of occlusive seals that come in this package. But let's talk first about why we need to use the occlusive seals. Occlusive seals are used to treat any wound that compromises the chest cavity. You see, if you have a penetrating chest wound or a hole in your chest cavity, air can be entering in an unnatural way, not through your nose or your mouth. Think of it this way. Have you ever tried to drink through a straw that had a crack or a hole in it? It can be very difficult to pull that fluid up through that straw. Likewise, it's the same thought process. If you have a penetrating chest wound, air entering that chest cavity can cause a collapsed lung and create extreme difficulties in breathing. So we need to restore that natural process, and we can do so with an occlusive seal. The pair of seals allows you to address an entrance and an exit wound. One of these seals is vented and one is not. We go over the application of vented and non-vented seals in our immediate responder training. Let's talk about an important component of the seal, the hydrogel. It's very robust. See how sticky that is? The great thing about the hydrogel is that you don't have to worry about shaving someone's chest. You're just going to wipe away as much fluid and debris as you can, lay it on their chest like a tire patch, and restore that natural process of breathing. All of our trauma kits have a unique serial number that upon registration provides you the access of our training videos. Additionally, we'll send you an email when perishable items approach their expiration date, allowing you to always be prepared for the unforeseen, where you learn, work, play, and pray. You can learn more about our products at www.360lifesafety.com.